GameStop is going higher this week, and Roaring Kitty is not done with it. Hear me out. Keith, I'm just going to call him Keith because I don't know if it's Jill or Gil. So Keith, aka Roaring Kitty, is probably the most cryptic yet transparent personality on the internet. He's cryptic where he kind of sneaks on different social media platforms like he did this past month, posts these random memes about GameStop or suggesting it's about GameStop, and then the stock itself explodes. But he's very transparent in his streams saying what he's doing with the stock. So, going up to his stream from last Friday, which seems like it was a flop, but hear me out. He was posting these memes suggesting he's buying the stock or that GameStop is going to go higher. And the stock did indeed jump higher. But once the stream hit, Roaring Kitty was very clear he's holding the position and he thinks that the stock looks good. He went over the fundamentals, the reasons why he likes it. It was kind of a silly stream, but the reason that GameStop did not explode has nothing to do with people thinking he was drunk or thinking that it was a waste of time. It's because he's just sitting on his position. He did not say he's going to buy more. Okay? So I think if he said he's going to buy more, the stock would have went higher. My prediction is that GME is going to go higher and he's going to be back at it. He has these calls expiring next week, a huge position. Rumors around are saying that he's unloading this position. If he's unloading this position, that'd be very anti-Roaring Kitty of him because he would be transparent normally with his cult following. And if he's actually unwinding this position, that boy better register for the witness protection program because he is going to have a target on his back. This is not hopium for me. I'm not owning GameStop right now. I'm probably going to buy it after. And if you want to trade alongside with me, I do have a trading service, trade2close.com. We give 7 days free. Just a little sprinkle on there for myself. But let's get back to Roaring Kitty. I think he is going to start posting memes again up until his expiration. He's probably going to do some sort of surprise live stream saying he's buying more, and then that's when the stock is going to explode. Meanwhile, amid all of this drama and chaos, it has created a very severe technical pattern, a very strong technical pattern in the stock. And normally, chaos or volatility will create these patterns. This is a descending triangle. I will show you what exactly I'm seeing if you guys aren't a pattern trader. And notice how we have these big candles and we're kind of just simmering and coiling and coiling. It's like a jack in the box. The more that this simmers in this pattern, the more it's going to explode and the bigger it's going to explode. Now, usually these patterns will technically explode no matter what. But if you have a catalyst, now we're talking big game here. We're talking to the moon in this instance. So technically speaking, the measured move of this pattern is right back up to about 45. But if you get that catalyst to create the explosion, obviously it's going to go higher than that. And he, Roaring Kitty, Keith, Gil, or Jill, Keithy baby, is going to be that catalyst. Something's telling me it's going to happen soon. I'm probably going to trade into this, especially since it fell out of favor. That's normally when the stock just blindsides you. A stock like this, a cult favorite, blindsides you and goes out of control. And again, if you want to trade with me, I'll put the link below and we're going to have some fun with this one. But yeah, let's see what Roaring Kitty does. This pattern is definitely louder than the roar itself.